Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local cruisers yachts dealer here. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous new 2025 46 Cantius that just arrived in the gorgeous light gray hull with the black hardtop. Absolutely gorgeous. The Havana interior here. Such a sharp boat. Probably our best selling Cantius model. Big hydraulic swim platform on the back for carrying a jet ski or a tender. Lots of storage back here. You also have an electric grill and refrigerator in this summer kitchen in the back. You can walk around both sides of the platform here, up all the way up to the bow. Easy stairs, grab rails everywhere. You have a gorgeous sunshade that comes out of the back of the hardtop to shade the whole cockpit area here. Awesome synthetic teak flooring here, low maintenance, freshwater wash down. You have a refrigerator out here. You also have an ice maker. These doors will pocket all the way to the port side, so you can open up the whole cockpit area to the salon. Look at how light and bright this is inside. Gorgeous light oak interior, 2-burner cooktop stove, convection microwave, Samsung television, refrigerator and freezer, nice Rockford Fosgate stereo system, windows everywhere. There's no lights on in this boat right now. Look at how bright it is. Really nice raised dinette. Gorgeous helm with double helm seat with thigh-rise bolsters. This is a Volvo IPS boat. Manual opening side windows to get some fresh air in. Huge sunroof. Opens with a push of a button. Gorgeous Garmin helm here with twin displays, inductive charger, VHF radio. Nice easy stairs down to your 2 beautiful staterooms. Look at the headroom in this VIP. Television, hanging locker, queen size bed. You have separate access into the day head here from the stateroom. Huge guest bathroom or day head here with enclosed shower, vessel sinks. Nice little linen closet here in the foyer. Private access to the full beam master stateroom. The size of this full beam on a 46. Lots of storage. Gorgeous queen size bed. Chaise lounger on the port side here. Tons of cabinet space here. You do have a washer dryer combo unit in this cabinet right here. Really nice windows. You are midship, so it's just a wonderful place to sleep. Television, of course. More storage. And then your private ensuite head. And separate stall shower. Nice, plenty of storage for towels and toiletries, etc. Walking back out. Gorgeous engineered wood flooring. We'll do a quick walk up to the bow because you have a whole nother entertaining area there. This gorgeous hardtop. Garmin radar. You have the DPS digital positioning system from Volvo also on this. Nice, easy grab rail the whole way. Look at this entertaining area in the bow. You have chaise loungers as well as a sitting area. Really nice setup. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Cruisers Yachts here. We're your local dealer here in South Florida. Do a quick panorama of our beautiful marina. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.